Nowadays everyone want to incorporate new words. As like you are a
Hmm.
master to
No, no, I'm
incorporating.
not.
No, literally tell you, if I compare to other, so you are like a good at this. You and one of Lalit. He's
Lalit,
also
yeah.
he's
Lalit
also
uses
adding,
so many
yeah.
words. I have seen so many times.
He use in a one line at least 3 to 4 words.
Kind of
So
phrases, he use. Even I don't use phrases. I use words. I'm not really
yes.
into, using phrases, but he
But
uses. I know
you
that.
are you are I can say you are also good. Everyone praise you
Thank
behind
you.
you. Yeah, everyone
Thank
praise
you.
you.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
So, I would like to also ask because everyone run behind this question how to incorporate more and more word. Okay.
Okay.
So first, so tell me
Hmm.
how's going your life because
Hmm.
nowadays holidays is going on.
Yeah, life is treating me so well. I'm enjoying my life and I'm really grateful to this beautiful life. I'm really grateful to the God. And yes, I'm totally satisfied with the things. Thank you so much for asking. You tell me, how's life treating you? How's things going on?
Mm, I must say there is no any complaint because whatever God give us, just we have to happily accept. So
Yeah,
everything is going smoothly, and yes, if I talk about my spoken journey, so nowadays I'm also happy because my channel is growing day by day, and I can say I can see also change in my communication skills. So I'm happy and
great,
still
great.
I'm trying to enhance my communication skills, so I'm doing hard work.
Wow, great. Good to hear about you.
Yeah. All right, so here I have one question for you, especially you, because
Okay.
I observe nowadays you are using so many vocabulary in your conversation. So there are so many co-learners, they also incorporate in your day-to-day life uh, vocabulary, new words. Still, they have so many words in their own bucket. But what's happened while conversation? They they totally blank.
Just get blank. Yeah.
Yeah, they get totally blanks. They are when they interact with the people, they forget everything. So, for improving this habit, what should they do?
I would say nice question, and so many people they have asked me so far. Like I am being asked this question so many times. So again, I would like to explain here that first you should be having the interest to just hunt those words, but it's not really important to use them into the conversation always. It's not really important. Like some of the words quite usable that you can use in the conversation. You can just fetch those words. And talking about just taking a deep dive into that, it's not really important. You don't have to be really worried about that. And talking about using words, so first of all you need to be knowing what words that are really useful in the conversation, in any specific topic. You must know first of all. If you know that okay, these words are quite usable, then you are good to go. Then you can just fetch them into the conversation. Whether you are doing it purposely, it's okay. At least it's a form of practicing. You are just putting it into the implementation. So that's quite I can say helpful. So talking about words, so there are so many words. Let's say I said that's quite helpful. So instead of saying that's quite helpful, we can say that's really lucrative, right? That's quite beneficial. Instead of saying beneficial, we can say it's lucrative, right? And talking about this skill to to have so many words in your mind, and yes, on top of that, you are being able to use them into the conversation or wherever you need this, and you are using them. So it is also a kind of skill, I can say. Not each and every person every individual, they are really, capable of doing so, right? So many people, they just get stuck, as you just said rightly. It happens. It's a very normal thing, a normal problem it is. I would say you need to dedicate timing, and yes, just cultivate that kind of interest towards the particular words, that okay, these words are really useful, and these are I can use these words, I can use in the conversation or in any specific topics. And yes, if it comes to talk about any specific topic, so you must be knowing a few words. Let's say talking about dowry system. So there are few words you must be knowing. It's a
Mm-hmm.
kind of blot. We say
Mm-hmm.
it's a blot, it's a stigma, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, it's a, like in Hindi we say kalank, kind of kalank. So, or you can say talking about child labor. So these kind of topics, you must be knowing a few words. You cannot always use a simple words, and you can just make shift, right? So for such topics, you must be knowing a few words, and you must know what are those words and how can I utilize those words into the conversation. And yes, the right pronunciation also really important here, and it
Mm-hmm.
comes with time. It's not about in just a jiffy, in just a moment, in just a split second you'll get that. Now I have used three different words and the meaning is same. In just a moment, in just a
Just a
jiffy,
jiffy.
yeah, in just a jiffy, and in split second. So there are three words, meaning is same. So instead of using in just a moment, you can say in just a split moment, split second, you just get this, and I just saw that. Whatever, like
Mm-hmm.
in the conversation you can use that. Okay, so there are ways you have to explore yourself, but yes, few words you must be knowing, and for that you need to do little study, a little kind of dedication you must be that time doing to do going to do, yeah. And the other thing is this, that yes, the interest, the passion, some people they have a big passion towards collecting so many words. Even I also used
Yes.
to be a such kind of personality, collecting so many words, and I would jot it down in my diary. This I would do earlier, meaning couple of years ago, and I have my like 3 4 diaries, and there I have jot down so many words with the meaning somewhere, some explanations, and most of them are words, vocabularies, not the phrases, because I am quite interested in the words, vocabularies, not in the phrases. I know few phrases,
Mm-hmm.
but I like rarely use them. So it depends on
Mm-hmm.
your choice and the kind of dedication you have, like how much you are like trying to push yourself into that. This is also a big deal, I can say. It makes a sense.
Yes, you are truly right. It's totally depend our interest, our taste, because there are so many people they just love to incorporate phrases, idiom, and there are so many people just love to incorporate new words, vocabulary, isn't
Yeah,
it?
right, right.
It's depend on our
Exactly.
choice. Yeah.
Yeah, right, right.
Uh, Yes. So here I would like to ask you, you just jot it down or you also make sentences if you came across or you encountered any new words. So what do you do? What is your
When I,
strategy?
okay. See, whenever I like just stumble upon any new word, so if I'm like, let's say from where I found that word, that depends. If I found that word from any like app, any platform, so I just take the screenshot at the same time. So many
Mhm.
screenshots I have in my phone, and
Same
once
here.
I get the time,
Mhm.
yeah, and once I get time, so I just jot it down in my diary, and I try my level best to learn them. And how do I learn them? By making a few sentences, meaning putting that word into any like kind of example, any scenarios. I deliberately do so, so that I can get it inculcated in my mind and I never forget them. So this I do, but not I'm really great in that. I would not say that I am kind of connoisseur in this. This means, Pakhi, Visheshagya, specialist. I'm
Okay.
not. I'm like, I have the interest and I'm doing things. I'm trying to evolve myself in this English language. On top of this, I'm not really regular. It's been 2 3 days, I'm quite regular. But earlier than, this time I was really, really, totally, forgetful. Meaning, so many times I was forgetting the words. Even I was not able to hold the session. So, yeah, now I can say again, I have bounced back and doing the same things which I earlier used to do, meaning 5, 6 months ago, which I had been doing, and then I stopped totally. I just totally mitigated the number of conversation, like hardly one session. I used to do, and sometimes there is no session. So now I can say I have again, just started over.
Okay, all right, great. Okay.
Yeah. So you tell me what's your forte? What's your specialty? Like, what's really, interest you? Like, let's say grammar rules, let's say vocabularies, phrases, idioms, any story. What's your forte? Where you find it really interesting and always you want to do it? Because once we are very interested to do something, so we just don't care about the time. It happens with me. This kind of scenarios I have gone through so many times earlier, because I had the big ignition towards this language. So no matter which time I am like doing the things and I am just done with the work, I don't take care of the time that time. Earlier, meaning like a couple of months ago, a couple of years ago, I didn't care about the timing. What is this time all about? I was like, taking out my dictionary and then, searching words and jotting down it in my diary. So once we have the interest, so we can just make it out anyhow. So what is your forte? What really interests you?
Yes, it's a really nice question. You know, I am really fond of to collect vocabulary, but problem is that I can't inculcate immediately in my conversation. I have to little bit mug up, I can
Okay.
say. Yeah, if I come across any new words, so first of all, I jot it down in my diary. Then I try to make 3 to 4 sentences. Then I'm able to use my in conversation. So I'm doing like that. And my interest is also just collect vocabulary, because I must say vocabulary is the treasure of our communications. If we have a vocabulary collection, so we can face to anyone, because talking about school and like any professional personality, so we need to know vocabulary, because they are using little bit professionally, little bit advanced vocabulary as compared
Hmm.
to like our conversation. So just
Yeah,
I
right.
wanted to incorporate new and new vocabulary each and every single day, but not happens.
Hmm.
Yeah, but I'm trying.
Okay. Good to know
Yes.
about this. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So, you know what? Like Shashi Tharoor. He is the like well-known personality and very prominent personality, and he's having so many concrete fancy vocabularies. And you might know about this news. I think I don't remember. It's quite I can say in vague in my mind. I'm not clear about this news. At what time this news came into the surface? That when Shashi Tharoor went to US, there was a kind of debate or something.
Mhm.
So, Mr. Trump, he hired like a translator to understand what Mr. Shashi Tharoor was saying, because
Okay.
he uses a lot of concrete words. He's like you
Mhm.
can say, Jita Jagta dictionary, a live dictionary. He is the
Mhm.
personality of Shashi Tharoor. So,
Okay.
do you know this news all about? Are you
No,
aware of this
actually,
news?
no, actually, I'm not aware.
Okay, I shared this to my husband. He was like laughing out this matter. I was like, he was like, okay, okay, ठीक है, okay. But that time was literally I was laughing. I was like, chuckling that time. What is this happening? Like, and I was also that time very proud of Mr. Shashi Tharoor, being an Indian, and he's like, doing such a big thing, such a great
Yes.
personality he is.
Because he is a
And
native speaker, still he needs to keep one, what should I say?
translator. translator.
translators. So yeah, right.
He hired actually, literally he hired to
Mm-hmm.
understand what Shashi Tharoor was saying in that like
Mm-hmm.
conversation and whatever like it was happening, the kind of discussion. Like I was feeling really proud of Mr. Shashi Tharoor. Wow, hats off to you, Shashi Tharoor ji.
Yeah, right. Okay, so
Yeah.
I would like to ask you, whenever you feel free, so what kind of podcast, or I can say what kind of series do you love to watch, especially in English?
Oh, that's quite interesting question. But see, I don't get time because it's been 2 3 days. I'm totally tied up with the news that just came into the surface that accident, plane crash. So I was that time
Yeah,
totally
right.
heartbroken. I was this
Mm-hmm.
much affected. Uh, I just can't say it into the words because words failing me this time. And same thing happened on yesterday, day before yesterday, and the time when I heard this news. I don't know. I was crying. So this time I'm also feeling goosebumps. I don't know. So I was
Mm-hmm.
totally tied up. And
When
before that,
I remember
hmm,
that news, so our it seems heart really painful. It's also occurred
yeah,
with me. Mm-hmm.
this was the excruciating pain. People who are like suffering from this lost, they are feeling this
Yes,
excruciating pain right now. Even we can't we just can't I can say think about this. We cannot imagine what kind of pain
yes.
they are suffering from, they have gone through. So it's such a
Absolutely right.
massive destruction, and it's a disaster. And like we can't believe, like sometimes I'm not believing that. Then I just just try to process things and try to come into the terms that okay, this is the reality. It has really happened, and it's the reality. It's the bitter reality that occurred. I feel
Yes,
really
right.
sorry for the people, for the students, such a like innocent students, and they just lost their lives. And the kind
One
of
of new couple marry, sorry, new couple. One of doctor. They resigned from India. They wanted to shift in London
yeah, right,
with
right.
their whole family. So this is really very painful. What should I say?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's like we can't say it in the words, but but yes, what is fated can't be abated. It was written somewhere, but it's such a bitter reality. It's not worth
Yes.
saying, but the people who are just suffering from this pain, what kind of pain, and the I can say they are lamenting, they are wailing, they are this much weeping for their loved
Mm-hmm.
ones this time. I feel
Right,
really
right.
sorry for them.
Same
Yeah. So
here.
you were asking about what I do. So literally, to be very honest, I am not really into this nowadays. But yeah, earlier I used to listen some podcasts. Let's say there is one Simarjeet is the keynote speaker, motivational speaker. Even I listen to satsang preaches in English because there are two kind of benefit I get. One is
Yes.
English words, everything, and the other is the right path
Mm-hmm.
to lead a great life and everything, the kind of problem, how can you resolve this and everything. So there are two kind of benefit anyone can get. So I
Yes.
think so, and I am really inclined to not just listen, to watch such satsang.
Okay. First one is Simarjeet. Next one is actually I jotted. I want to jot it down.
Okay, second is satsang, it's BK Shivani satsang.
Yeah, I know BK Sivani very well. Yeah,
Yeah, English
her
satsang.
English is really amazing,
Yeah,
and
so
her
many words
way of
I just
speaking,
learned from her. Yeah,
her
way
way
of
of
speaking, really
speaking.
calm,
Yeah,
composed. Yeah.
right. I love. I can say I have been listening her. Hmm, I can say 7 to 8 years, but
Oh, long time.
yeah, but I listened her in Hindi, Brahma Kumari.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, and now I'm thinking I have to listen in English, but in our running life, we don't have much spare time. just I can say we are not living nowadays peacefully even a 5 minute in a day. So, I don't know it's happened only with me or with everyone. Earlier, I used to watch so many serials, Kapil Sharma show, and there are so
Okay,
many things I spend. But nowadays, I'm not like free. These all kind of
okay.
things to watching. Yeah.
I think you think a lot. You think much.
No, I'm
You
not
think like you
thinking.
contemplate a lot.
No, actually, I'm not thinking a lot. You know what's happened? Uh, if as like I'm alone, but in my plate so many works, like first of
Mm.
all mother, homemaker, and as well as
Yeah, right.
teacher, and apart
Yeah,
from
right.
that I also running my own channel. So I guess
Hmm.
there are so
Exactly.
many work. So how much we can set or our timetable, I can say we
I
have
would
to
say just feel
see
relaxed.
everything.
Do not take it as a baggage. Just enjoy the process. If you are making videos, enjoy that. At least I was able to make 1 or 2 sessions. And talking about taking care of the family, doing home chores, so that's our responsibility. We have to do it anyhow. So once we have to do it, like we are bound to do it, right? Being a woman, we have to do it. So instead of doing it little, feeling, sad or something with the pressure, so why can't we do it with the wholeheartedly, with a smiling face? This I believe.
I do with wholeheartedly. But here I would like to say I'm not too much free, especially while sitting to watch my favorite
Okay, okay, got your point.
shows. Yeah.
But at least you can listen them.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say you are working in the kitchen, so you can just put your phone and your like a speaker, like music, whatever the system you have on the speaker, and you can listen it. Whether it's a satsang, whether it's any music, any like show, like what you said, Kapil Sharma show. This you can listen. At
Mm-hmm.
least we can listen that time. We have this option, right? We can listen,
Yes,
and side by side we are doing the
while
work.
cooking, I watch sometime Kapil Sharma show because it makes happy. It's uh feel me stressful.
It just declutter your mind, because we have
Yes,
so many things on mind here, right? Kind of pressure, stress, and workload, right? So somewhere it's totally filled with the chaos, cluttered somewhere. So by listening such videos, funny videos, comedy videos and all, so it you can able to just declutter that, banish that.
yes, absolutely right. So do you also prefer to watch something funny in a day at least once time?
Not every day I do, like on and off. uh,
Okay, I'm
there's
also
a
not
saying, once
every
in a
day.
blue moon. Once in a
All
blue
right.
moon. This you can say.
So
Yeah.
what do you do to entertainment yourself?
See, sometimes like what I do when I'm to do, let's say, kitchen work, making chapatis and all. So I just, play the songs on my music system, and it's all about the classical songs, old songs, and or like simultaneously I'm doing my work. So I really enjoy. And yes, when I am to earlier, I used to do the same thing with the satsang. When I am to earlier when I was to listen satsang, same thing I used to do. But now when I'm to listen satsang, so what I do, I just watch it on my mobile phone. I just put it the phone on the speaker, and then watching it and trying to understand, observe the things, like what is being said and everything, whenever I get time. So this I do.
All right, you are not doing specially something to like entertain yourself, right? It's depend on your
I would
mood.
say I to me, I think each and every moment is a kind of entertainment. Relish the
Oh.
moment. Yeah, this I think. I'm always like keep on smiling. I am feeling like kind of sad and melancholic. I'm like totally satisfied, happy. If I am happy, I'm feeling happy, so I am happy, right? like I'm happy inside, then I'm happy, right? So I'm happy, so I think it's radiating to the family, to the environment. This I believe.
Right. All right. Yeah. Okay. So do you also love to scroll your phone like Instagram, Facebook? Also do every day or
Not
not?
Facebook, not Facebook, but yes, as I told you, 3 days it's been when once the that news came into the surface of plane crash. That since that day, I had been like scrolling wherever I'm getting time. I'm like sitting idle. I'm just like taking my phone and using Instagram and just scrolling and feeling really, really low, feeling this much, I can say agitated and that's a kind of big pain. I also feel somewhere for the people
Mm,
who just lost their lives and for the students, MBBS students, what was their fault? They just lost their lives and what would be happening with their family, their hope,
mm.
their dream, totally, just vanished.
Destroyed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
destroyed, totally ruined.
Mm,
Mm.
right.
So whenever I just, saw these kind of videos, I start feeling like this way. So now I have decided not to, get into that much because it's like days are like really, mitigated. The like on 27th of June, I have to rejoin the school. So I have to do my some work. Like it hasn't completed yet. So that I have to complete because I was earlier very busy with my sisters as they came here at my home. So I was busy, quite busy with them.
I can
So
say
now I
also
have to.
saw your status or some of clips on YouTube channel. I really feel better and at the same time I also miss my alert sister. I thought I
Yeah,
wish also enjoy with my sister.
yeah,
But
this
yeah,
happens.
yeah, in coming week I must go there and I will enjoy
Okay,
with them. Yeah.
okay. So you also teach in a school, right?
No,
So
I don't teach school. I teach at my home as like
at your
coaching.
home.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. Great, great. So this
Yes.
is why you are so much occupied. Now I got your
Mm-hmm.
point. As you were saying that
Mm-hmm.
you were really tied up. Okay, now I
Mm-hmm.
got your point. Okay.
Yeah, or I must say one of bad habit in mine because whenever I take phone, just not every time in the afternoon. I
Hmm.
every day lost my 1.5 hour. Love to scroll my phone. I love to see what's happen. Like
Hmm.
I love to watch what is going on in our day-to-day life and what is going on in our what should I say? I am not getting that
In our surroundings, current affairs.
surrounding. Yeah. So what is fashion going on? I'm also
Oh,
interested.
what kind of fashion? What's in trend?
Yeah. So I thought
Okay.
this is not good. Just I waste my 1.5 hour, 2 hour. I
So this
have to.
happens,
I have
we
to
get really
spend.
glued.
Yes,
We get
right.
really glued to this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So I thought
Hmm.
half hour enough to like exploring things what is surrounding in our uh, what is surrounding us. But after that
Hmm.
we have to watch some content which is we learn something from that particular content, and if
Yeah, right.
we are there, so it's I can say our responsibility to come to bring something new. So we have to do
Yeah,
hard
right.
work upon particular topic.
Hmm. Yeah,
But
right. Exactly.
just I'm thinking I'm not doing. So I thought just I have to quit my bad habit and do something.
So
uh,
everyone, I think each and every individual, they are like really prone to do this, scrolling the videos and everything and spending time this much.
yes, right, right. So we have 6 minutes. If you want to ask something or do you want to share something, so please share.
No, I was like, now I know what I have to do. I have to stick with the language as soon as the school starts. Because at school premises earlier, what was happening, I was not really feeling confident. So many times I switched into Hindi with the peers, with the colleagues that I don't want to do. So in upcoming days, as soon as I start going to the school, so I need to be really, adhere, stick with this that I have to speak only in English because this is the only way I can, retain my this continuity. Because it's not about speaking. Once we are like this way, via video call, we are talking online, we are talking. So this is the different way. And once we are talking with the people in person,
This is, I
offline,
can say,
this is a
huge
tot
different, huge
yeah, it's
different
a difference.
when we
It's
meet
it's a big difference.
people
Yeah.
personally. It's, I can say,
Yeah.
literally very huge different. And I must say, you are lucky to join school and you are getting a chance to interact with the people personally and to
Mhm.
share your thoughts in English. So this is a best
Yeah.
way, I must say.
Yeah. The thing is, I need to get the hang of it. Meaning, I'm not really, somewhere I'm, oscillating between two of the thoughts. Like there is one thought, do I need to switch into Hindi? And the other thing is that making an eye contact with the teacher. Somewhere I was like, doubting myself. This was happening, earlier, like before the vacation started. I was in this mode. So I was like, I need to overcome this thing. I just can't afford these kind of, inhibition, these kind of fear. Because yes, this is a little different scenario to speak with the people offline. Day to day you are meeting and then you are speaking with them in English. And yes, there should be a right, way to speak, kind of presentation you can say. It's not about, presentation. Let's say we are like 4 5, peer setting and then we are speaking. So if I am speaking, so I need to be really clear and confident because it is your confidence. At the end of the day, it is your confidence that speaks up, that shows up, right? It's not about the words you are using and how beautiful you are, the way you look doesn't matter. It's about the confidence level that I have realized so far, when it comes to speak to the people in person. You need to be really clear with your words, and yes, confidence should be there.
Yes, right, right. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's wrap up. Let's call it a day. And it was lovely
Yes,
talking
yes.
with you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I literally tell you, I also thoroughly enjoy our conversation. So thank you so much for giving your precious time. I always
Thank you.
enjoy talking with you, really.
Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you so
Yes,
much. And we can connect anytime as we have our number shared to each other. So we
yes,
can anytime connect. Whenever you
yes,
feel like you
right.
can message and then you can call me up. I don't have any problem. In the evening time, I'm just good to go. I can talk with you.
All right, all right. Thank you so much. Your
Okay,
words
then.
means a lot. Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
All
Bye,
right,
Suman. Bye. Yeah.
bye,
Take care. Bye.
bye.